Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl ChocTheGlam and I'm at Verizon here in Uptown. I'd like to meet my friend Caesar.
Hello.
And he just sold me the lightning fast wireless charging stand by Samsung. Are y'all ready for my video? Because it's going to be lit. This is so much better than that one. And I'm going to tell you why now. So do me a huge favor, before we get this thing started, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit that bell on the side, so that way you're always tuned into every video that I post, okay? Now let's get started. I'm doing a head-to-head comparison for two products that have recently hit the market. This one here is the Samsung wireless charging stand, and this one here is the Mophie wireless charging base. Now the two claim to do fastest charging capabilities on the market. However, one does what it says it does and the other one doesn't. Can you guess which one is better than the other? I know you're probably wondering, what in the heck are you doing with a Samsung device for an Apple phone? Well, newsflash, Samsung creates a great amount of products for Apple. Yep. Major key alerts such as the screen for the iPhone 10 and a plethora of other items that I can link down below just to let y'all know, because you know I'm good for a receipt, honey. I will give you all the tea and all of the major keys, so that way you all are getting the best bang for your buck, okay? Now, let's get started. This one here is the Fast Charge Wireless Stand by Samsung, and it comes with the following. It comes with the charging stand, it comes with the charging cord and the charging adapter for travel. So the charging cord, if you're wondering, is definitely not an Apple product. It is a micro USB right here, and it does some great stuff. So let me tell you what this baby does. It has a built-in fan, so that way your phone doesn't overheat during the charging period. You can read your text messages and not interrupt a single call while it's charging. Also, a really cool capability on this thing here is that you can charge it in landscape or portrait mode, which for those of you guys who don't know what that is, so this is portrait mode, just straight up and down, and landscape is like this, if I'm not mistaken. And if I am wrong, tell me in the comments, like, let me know. I would also like to bring you up to speed because this thing also charges up to 9 watts of charging capability, which is really dope. It has a multicolored LED light to let you know when the charging is complete and while it is in progress. And if you're using this for your Samsung phone, it charges 1.8 times faster than its normal charging. Yep, and it does that for the iPhone too. Boop. I really love this one, and I want to also let you know that it's not expensive. It's $59.99, and I got mine at my nearest Verizon store right on Montrose in Uptown. Go see Caesar, he'll get you together. Okay, now let's move on to this Mophie charging base. Now it's wireless and it works for the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and iPhone X. And it charges up to 7.5 watts of power, and it looks like this. It's a little cute ass hockey puck. Now, I've used it and I've compared the two as far as charging, and this one charges much faster because it charges up to 9 watts. This is only 7.5. And then to make matters worse, it's like flat. So when I put my phone on it, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Like this. And I can't charge it without, like, see, it's hanging over the edge, and the phone literally has to come in contact right in the middle in order for it to charge, which sucks. So I would have to remove my pop socket, which, if you're wondering what a pop socket is, it's this thing here. So you can put your finger in on, so you put your fingers through it like that, and that way you're like, that way you can take better selfies, you have a better grip on your phone, and you're not dropping your phone on your face when you're laying in bed creeping and lurking through your phone in the middle of the night, like this. Oh yeah, because this is major key. I will talk about this later. Now, some other things about this is, like, it does not tell you very much. It's just pretty much cut and dry. It comes with instructions on the inside. It comes with a charging cord, which looks like this, which I can't really charge much with, but this. So you're pretty much stuck in the middle. However, with this cord, you can charge anything that requires a micro USB, such as I have an LG Tone Pro headset, which I use for Bluetooth because I'm always on the go, I'm always on the phone, somebody's always calling me, and I like to be discreet with mine. So in order to charge it, I can use this whenever I need it. Pretty lit, pretty bomb. Let's put the two together. This one is much bigger, comes with a fan. This one doesn't come with a fan. This one has a little bit of a grip. This one has a bigger grip. And you can only charge this one in landscape mode, and that's not okay. So it's not dual charging coils, unfortunately. This one has dual charging coils. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna be straight up and tell you guys that this one pales in comparison to this one, and I'll tell you why. For $60, I want the most out of my product because I need things to charge quickly. I'm always using my phone to promote my business, to promote my YouTube, to promote period, just to use it in general. I need my phone. So if I need my phone to charge quickly and I can't have my hands on it, I need to be able to see what's going on. For instance, when I put my phone right here, so when I'm charging my phone, I like to be able to like scroll through my Instagram like this, right? I like to be able to scroll. And I like to be able to charge my phone at the same time, especially if I can't keep my hands on it, you know? So when you come over here to this one, what do you see? It's flat. And I have to literally lean over it like this to try to see what's going on. If it comes off the pad even the slightest, it stops charging. It's interrupted, it's out of focus. With this one, I don't have to remove my pop socket, which is bomb. Because if I had to remove my pop socket, I would be really pissed. I would not be happy about it. I would be very upset because I'm not spending $60 to have to like dismantle what I already have on my phone. I love my case. I love my pop socket. So what's my final verdict? I would say get this one if you are very minimalistic and you don't need much but to just throw your phone on the charger and you don't like to have your phone in close proximity. You just want to drop it off. Okay, good. Now, if you're a person like me who likes to get the most bang for their buck and you like all the bells and whistles and minimal is just not enough, then get you this one right here. It's got the little fan. You can use your phone seamlessly with it, and your friends who need to charge their phone who have Samsung, because there's some Android Nation folks that I fool with, they can charge their phone on here too as long as it is the newer Samsung models. So that's the one I choose. Like I choose this one right here. Right here. Here's the box for y'all one more time. I love it. I love it. I love it. And if it wasn't for Caesar at my local Verizon, I would have never known. I would have never known the greatness of this charging base because the other one just is not my friend. I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad product. It just doesn't give off very much. And for $60, I'm gonna need all my coins to rack up. Okay, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and listening to me rant about these two products and gush over them as well. If you're feeling this video, be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe down below if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that bell on the side and make sure it has the little things on the side because I want you to get all of my notifications so that way you know when I upload, my videos are there. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank y'all so much again. Alrighty, so I'll see y'all on my next one. Take care, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye. So yes, tell them where you guys are located.
We are the new Verizon store in Uptown, Chicago, 918 West Montrose.
You heard it here first. Come here for all of your cell phone needs and get your life together. You'll find something new every day when you come to the Verizon store here on Montrose.